We've had some issues on Memorial Drive, a source of complaints with deformations on the pavement. We're currently in the research area of what's going on exactly with the manhole and the pipeline, because that pipeline specifically is over 13 feet deep, and before we start digging up the road and causing major disruptions, the issue has to be researched in detail. We had a company contracted that went in and videotaped from manhole to manhole. That's roughly about 700 feet. Now we're going to share what we found with you so that you can see what I see. At this point, what you're looking at is both manholes and influent lines going into these locations have been capped off to prevent any wastewater from circulating. So we have identified a joint that's 13 feet deep that's currently broken near the manhole. As you can see, groundwater is easily flowing through the broken joint, and the entire stretch has similar concerns. This is what's known as a clay pipe. It was installed probably back in the 50s. The easiest, simplest, not necessarily the cheapest solution, which minimizes disruptions, would be to install a liner from manhole to manhole. And frankly, the challenges with that are quite unique, because when you install a liner, although that creates a fairly structural element to provide additional support for the pipe, you still have to go in and cut out the laterals that connect to that large trunk line and move the water. The hose you're seeing is our vacuum truck, which is sucking out the groundwater that's flowing in there from the broken line. But clearly, when you see that type of groundwater flow into the sanitary system, that brings along sand and other materials, and eventually over time, as that much water flows into the pipeline, sediments are transported. That creates the cavities, which end up leading to deformations in the pavement and the driving surface. I am pleased to let you know and report that we've identified the problem. Frankly, it's not as bad as we thought, so we're not replacing any manholes, but we have to line the pipe, and that's what's coming up. We'll be coordinating with Highlands County Road and Bridge.